How to remove someone's access from Google Drive. Here's how to do it quickly. First, open Google Drive. Next, locate the file or folder that you no longer want someone to access. Once you've found it, click the three-dot menu next to the file or folder. From the menu, select Share. A sharing window will appear showing everyone who currently has access. Find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, click the Permission drop-down menu. Then select Remove Access. After making the change, click to save it. The selected user will no longer be able to open, edit, or view that file or folder. That's it. You've successfully removed someone's access from Google Drive. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tutorials.